Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topic of exponents. Before we start, I want to remind you that we have many playlists to practice on. And before you watch these videos, we highly suggest you to take a screenshot or read it carefully and solve it by yourself first, to practice and to understand this type of topics. That being said, let's dive into it. Which of the following is equal to r to the power of 2 over 7 for all values of r? Let me write this down first. And then for a help, I will also add an empty root. For these type of questions, you always need a root. That's why B and D are not an option anyway. So the rule is, we always tell this in our exponents videos. The numerator always stays next to the r, which is inside of the root, which looks like this. And the denominator is outside of the root. Let me show you this on our empty root. So r to the power of 2 is inside of the root, and the denominator, the 7, is outside of the root. That's actually the solution to this given question, choice A. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you. See you next time.